Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add email addresses in Wix form in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add more than one email address. So this is our form and we are in Wix editor. Now click on it and then you see form settings. So again click on it. Now you see Wix form pop up and then you see settings. So click on it. Again you see email notification, so click on it and then you see email notification. No emails are currently notified when this form is submitted, and then you see third notification, so click on it. Now notification setting open and then you see two options, inbox, email and owner app, and then you see email only. If you want to add collaborator, so you can use this option. Collaborator can manage your messages in one place with inbox, but we are going to add email addresses. Now select email only, so click on it, get notified and reply via email. So after form submission you will receive form detail on your email address. Now you see email these people when a form is submitted. Now click on it. You can email up to 2 people. If you want to add more, you can upgrade your plan. So we added one email, now add another and then press enter. Now you see 2 email added. Now changes have done auto, and after form submission you will receive form detail on both email addresses we added. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.